Really a few things that could get me out of bed well before nautical twilight begins and out the door before civil twilight. I have to admit, I've never really been a huge race fan in general. Here at Indianapolis, everyone seems to be crazy for IndyCar and NASCAR's Brickyard 400, but, watching something go around in a circle only has so much appeal to me. So if you want me to pull out the money and spend the bucks, then it has to be a road course, preferably motorcycles. So that pretty much comes up with MotoGP. Wasn't even sure that I was going to go to the MotoGP race this past Sunday. I could watch it at home for free, even all the way up until Saturday morning. I wasn't really sure, but the weather forecast was pretty good, and this may be the last year that's held here since there's no contract for 2012, and the Texas track will be ready in 2013. So I got to the gate probably about 6 minutes early, and I proceeded to watch several cars go by. Each of them had camping permits. However, it was kind of ironic to me that the people here that were quote-unquote camping were showing up at the exact same time that anyone else that would usually be coming would show up. Anyway, obviously they bought camping permits so they could get in early, although how early is kind of debatable here, because in reality they got up to the main gate and had to sit with the rest of us. After sitting a while, they basically opened up a second gate, and all of a sudden everybody merged to get to that gate because it was actually moving. And one of the things I find the most funny about this whole ordeal is nobody ever checked to see if I had a ticket when I came into the facility. And once I got past here, no one else bothered to check to see if I had a ticket. So the directions told motorcyclists to come into gate 10, and you would go into the stadium and park on the back stretch of the main oval that wasn't going to be used. And what's this? I'm being directed away now. Okay, well, that really wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting to go back and park on like turn 3 of the main oval. So here we're looking at the northwest corner of the stadium. You're turning me away from the stadium again. And this part I left uncut just so you could get kind of a feel for the size of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. In fact, this run is not even all the way down. This is probably 1/3 of the way down the road here next to Georgetown on the right. And it just keeps going. And going. Oh, good morning to you too. And going. And going. And going. Obviously we were sent around this way so that we wouldn't back up onto Georgetown once this actually got active, but it did seem kind of a weird way around when I first got to the facility. Time to go under the track. So up until this point, we had plenty of people in very bright shirts telling us where to go, and then there was nobody else with a bright shirt and a dead end into the racetrack. So, U-turn time. Now we're going down Main Street in the middle of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. And here's our parking spot. Complete with kickstand coaster. Here's your early arrivals. And obviously the interactive displays were not very interactive when I got there. Looking down the back stretch. Up Dakota. Ducati Island. Vendor area. Or the vendor area, which really wasn't open. So when I got there, MotoGP BMW safety car was doing laps around the track. Was really pushing his car to the extreme. There's actually 3 of them. I don't remember the specifics. All I remember is one of the 3 is a car that's coming out later this year and actually hasn't been announced to the public. So you can find out which one it is and what it is. That'd be great to know because I don't remember. And then one of them's the normal safety car and then one's a backup. So there you go. If you can find the one that's the special one that hasn't been released, let me know.